Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic radiator. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is completely cool before you begin. Gather all necessary tools, including a 15mm wrench, pliers, and a large drain pan capable of holding at least 1 gallon of coolant. Familiarize yourself with the radiator's components, such as the drain plug and the upper and lower hoses, to make the process smoother. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Position your drain pan directly under the radiator's drain plug, typically found on the bottom passenger side. Carefully open the drain plug and let all the coolant flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, use your pliers to loosen the clamps and remove both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Don't forget to disconnect any electrical fan connectors and unbolt the fan shroud. With the coolant drained and hoses disconnected, it's time to remove the old radiator. Locate and remove the 2 top mounting bolts, usually 10mm, that hold the radiator in place. Gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay, being careful not to spill any remaining fluid. Now, carefully lower your new radiator into the same position, ensuring it sits securely on its lower mounts. Reattach the fan shroud, reconnect all hoses, and secure any electrical connectors. Almost done. First, ensure the radiator drain plug is tightly closed. Now, slowly refill the system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant mixture, typically a 50-50 blend of antifreeze and distilled water, which usually requires about 1.5 gallons. Start the engine with the radiator cap off and let it run for about 15 minutes to bleed any trapped air. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge and thoroughly check for any leaks around the hoses and drain plug.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.